Hey boaters, Dominick here with Automatic Fender. Today, we're going to be unboxing a pair of automatic fenders. To begin, let's take a look at the outside of the box. On the front, you'll notice there's two stickers, one for each automatic fender. The first two lines indicate where on the boat it's to be installed. After that is the system number and individual automatic fender ID number, followed by a sticker off to the side indicating what color line was included with your unit. Now let's crack it open. The first and most important thing in the box is the Automatic Fender installation manual. Make sure you read the entire thing and follow along as we're installing your units today. Now is a good time to take a moment and check out the safety warnings on the first page. Underneath the manual, you'll see a pair of automatic fender koozies. It's time to pull out the automatic fender units. Left in the box is a box full of everything else you might need to install an automatic fender. Getting into the box, we'll see that we have two automatic fender hats and two packages, one labeled for special installation only and the other one labeled spare parts. The bag labeled for special installation only is only necessary in some instances that we point out in the manual. In case you dropped something in the water or to accommodate railings of all sizes, we have more clamps and more bolts in our spare parts bag. The automatic fender comes fully assembled and ready to go for most standard installations. So let's grab your manual and I'll see you in the next video, Installations.